Hi friends, for all the mathematics solutions, derivations, formulas, please subscribe and click the bell icon here. Thank you. Hi, I am Murali, maths teacher. So today we will learn trigonometry. Trigonometry exercise 6.1 10th one. So it is given as if cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta equals to 1 by a, then prove that a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 equals to sin theta. This we have to prove. Now we will see how to prove this. Okay. Solution. How to prove this we will see. Solution. So given you write first. Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta, that is given as 1 by a. Take reciprocal. 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta becomes a. Okay. Then here we will take LHS and substitute a answer in this LHS. A square minus 1 by a square plus 1, that is LHS. A answer substitute this. 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta whole square minus 1. 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta whole square plus 1. Okay. Next, equals to. Square you write separately for numerator, denominator. That means 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by cos square theta minus 1. Divided by, is also same. 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by cos square theta plus 1. Next. Okay. Now observe here. Take LCM here. Here you write minus 1 as 1 by 1. This is also same. 1. Cos square theta 1. This both LCM. How much will get? Cos square theta is the LCM. Cos square theta LCM. Okay. Do cross multiplication. 1 plus sin theta whole square into 1. So 1 plus sin theta whole square only you will get. Minus cos square theta into 1, cos square theta. Divided by. This also same. Cos square theta 1. LCM this both. Cos square theta. Cross multiplication. This both. 1 plus sin theta whole square plus cos square theta into 1, cos square theta. Here cos square theta cancel. Why? Because these both are denominators, can cancel. Remaining expand this. expand a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into sin theta into 1 we have to write. If you won't write 1 also, no problem. Minus cos square theta. This also a plus b whole square, same you will get 1 square sin square theta sin theta, but here you will get plus cos square you will get. Okay. Now observe here, very carefully observe. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, both if you add, that is one identity, the result is 1. 1. This 1 square 1. So this both we added, answer is 1. This 1 square I wrote here, remaining plus 2 sin theta. That is denominator answer. Numerator 1 square 1 sin square theta 2 sin theta minus cos square theta, we can write it as 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta answer is 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. Yes. Next 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus into 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus sin square theta divided by 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin theta. Okay. Next 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Sin square theta plus sin square theta 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. This both answer is 2 sin square theta. This 2 sin theta I wrote here divided by denominator we have 2 common, so take 2 common, remaining will be 1 plus sin theta equals to, here we can take 2 sin theta common, remaining 1 plus sin theta. So 2 1 plus sin theta. So actually we have to write sin theta first, next we have to get 1. So no problem, we can write. Okay. 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta cancel, 2 cancel, remaining is sin theta. That is RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved, that's all. Okay. So observe this here. That is a problem given. Cos theta plus 1 plus sin theta equals to 1 by a. Prove that a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 equal to sin theta. So here what we have to do, first we have to take this what they gave in the problem, take the reciprocal for this, we will get a answer. Then from this problem we take from here we take LHS. In LHS we have a answer, substitute this 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So if you simplify this, then finally you will get sin theta. Step by step if you simplify, you will get sin theta, that is RHS. That's all, hence proved. Okay. Thank you.